Wix pricing plans 2026. Which one wastes your money? Let's do 60 seconds. Quick snapshot. Free, combo $14, unlimited $22, Pro $27, VIP $39, Business Basic $28, Business Unlimited $38, Business VIP $69. We compare features per dollar: storage, bandwidth, support, and e-commerce tools. For personal sites, Unlimited is the sweet spot, more value than combo. For small stores, Business Basic is entry-level. Business Unlimited balances features and price. Which wastes money? Pro, small upgrades over Unlimited for a noticeable price jump. VIP and Business VIP are overpriced unless you need priority support or massive traffic. The free plan is fine for testing, but wastes professional value and branding. Our picks: Unlimited at $22 for creators, Business Unlimited at $38 for stores. On a budget? Start Business Basic, then upgrade as sales grow. Match features, not tiers. Click the link to compare deals and pick the right plan.